Requirement B, discuss with reasons how the customer list of Okie Woody Limited should be accounted for in the consolidated financial statements of the Timber Group Limited. 3 marks, guys. Therefore, not a lot of marks. But, guys, let's just get back to basics here. Remember, this is a theory question. Therefore, you need to identify the theory. You need to apply your theory, and you need to remember to conclude. Therefore, you will remember during our reading time, conclude either yes, we account for this, or no, we don't account for this as an intangible asset. Okay, now you will also remember during our reading time, when you look at the left side of your screen, we have identified that we need to discuss if it is identifiable based on separability criteria and the legal criteria. But they've indicated to us that this is confidential and they may not provide the details to anybody else. Okay, so they indicate to us Okie Woody Limited has a unique customer list. This is important, it's unique. That consists of detailed information about customers. The customers list terms of confidentiality prohibits Okie Woody Limited from selling this. Okay, and then they indicate to us that the customer list has an indefinite useful life. Right. Okay, now guys, back to basics. When you look at this on the left side, remember in terms of IFRS 3, we need to recognize our identifiable assets and liabilities at fair value at acquisition date. But this is not the problem here. The question is this identifiable? Therefore, in terms of a discussion question, we need to indicate that Timber Group will recognize this intangible asset separately from goodwill if, and we need to identify this if, right? If it is identifiable. Now, when we look at the details provided, it is a unique number. Therefore, we are able to separately identify this from the other customers. If you look at the left side of your screen, let's say, for example, we have a list of customers and they indicate to us that this list has its own unique numbers. Therefore, in a total list of customers, we are able to identify that these customers with unique numbers relates to this specific list. Therefore, we are able to identify this separately from the other customers, okay, because it has a unique list. However, due to the confidentiality, guys, it is separately identifiable from the list, but, and this is the big but, due to the confidentiality, Okie Woody or Okie Woody may not sell the list. Therefore, due to the fact that they may not sell the list, we now indicate that it is not it does not meet the separability criteria. Therefore, you will identify, first we've indicated yes, because we are able to identify this separately. But due to the fact that there's a confidentiality clause that they may not sell this, it does not meet the separability criteria. And then due to the fact that it does not meet the separability criteria, we may not recognize this as an intangible asset at acquisition date in our group. 3 marks.